Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. And the first thing you do is open your WhatsApp, then you tap on the three dots at the top right corner over here, you tap on settings, and then you tap on your account so you can access security options. You can see security notification, passkey, email, two-step verification, tap on it. And now, what's two-step verification? This is for extra security. Now, you turn on two-step verification. It will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. Now, if you want to learn more, tap on the learn more option over here. Give it a few seconds. Okay, two-step verification is an optional feature that adds more security to your WhatsApp account. So you see the two-step verification screen. Two-step verification is an optional feature that adds more security to your WhatsApp account. You see the two-step verification screen after you successfully register your phone number on WhatsApp. Now, this two-step verification PIN is different from your 6-digit registration code you receive via SMS or phone call. When you enable two-step verification, you have the option to enter your email address. This allows WhatsApp to email you a reset link in case you ever forget your PIN, and also helps to safeguard your account. After you enable two-step verification, WhatsApp regularly asks you to enter your PIN as a reminder. As long as you don't reset the PIN, you get a reminder once a week. So that's it. So you can still watch the video over here if you like. So after that, you now tap on turn on. Now you have to create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. You put in the PIN, then you tap on next. Just to input the PIN again, you input the PIN, you tap on save. And after the PIN is saved, you have to input your email address that you want your reset password to be sent to. So you have to put in your email address you want your reset password to be sent to. Once you've done that, it's done, and it's as simple as that.